How to see previous Discord servers you joined. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video tackles a common Discord dilemma, how to see all those servers you joined and maybe even left in the past. Now, this might seem obvious, but it's a good starting point. Sometimes servers you leave linger on the far right side of your server list. Minimize them out of sight. So scroll all the way to the right and see if you spot any familiar names. Discord sends server invite notifications whenever you join a new server. These notifications can pile up, but they might hold the key. Try searching your Discord inbox for keywords like invite or server, and you might find some old invitations that can refresh your memory. Some servers keep track of past members, even those who leave. You can try searching for your username on websites like discord.me or disboard.org. Now, these websites allow searching for public Discord servers, so if your username is still listed on a server you left, it might show up in the search results. Discord allows you to request a download of your account data. While this won't directly show you a list of past servers, it might contain server invite links you received in the past. This can be a long shot, but it's an option. Go to your settings, then privacy and safety, then scroll down to request all of my data and initiate the download request. The information provided might not be in a user-friendly format for finding past servers, so this is a downhill for this method. Now, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.